Alright, so one leader I'm familiar with is my old boss at Chick-fil-A. His name is Art Turkers. He was probably the best boss I've ever had. We all knew him like from first name basis. We all had like his cell phone number, and it was like a huge company. And he just like led it really well. Like we had group activities, and it wasn't like things that you didn't want to go to. It was like activities you wanted to do and people you wanted to hang out with. So that was really cool. And then one or two leaders I'm not familiar with. I'm not familiar with Steve Jobs, even though I feel like I hear a lot about his leadership. I hear sometimes the company is so big that you still want to have interpersonal relationships, even with like a big company. And I do hear that like he knew a lot of people and people like knew him. And also it's good to know like their personalities outside of work, which I feel like a lot of people seem to talk about Steve Jobs, especially through the documentary and stuff. And I think that's really cool, especially if you know them on a personal level. You actually have an idea of who they are, not just business leaders, but beyond that. And I really think that they show success in the fact that he built a name for himself, not only himself, but his business. I mean, people know Apple, but they also know Steve Jobs as like a person and a leader, which is why I'm talking about him right now. So yeah.